Welcome to our day 21 of our Canvas series. I'm Yung Way. Today we're diving into the art of creating presentation that don't just inform, take copy paste. Whether you're teaching to clients or presenting in class, your slide should leave a lasting impression. Una sa lahat, simulan natin sa pagpili ng tamang template. Alamin kung ano yung vibe na gusto mo para iparating sa mga audience mo. Professional ba or playful? Piliin ang template na under sa branding mo. Think of your visual identity as the first handshake with your audience. Yung visual identity mo para yung outfit sa first date. Kung maayos, panalo ka agad. Pero kung sabog, ay nako, good luck. Kaya mahalaga na tumatak agad ang branding mo sa audience. Ito yung unang nakikita nila, kaya dapat swak sa vibe ng presentation mo. Remember, less is more. A cluttered slide confuses the audience, but a clean, minimalistic design helps them focus on your message. Alam mo yung feeling na pag nanonood ka ng teleserye, tapos ang daming eksena, ang gulo-gulo, ganyan din yung presentation. Kapag too much text, parang teleserye na may sobrang daming characters. Nakakalito, di ba? Kaya keep it simple. Mas kaunti yung text, mas makakakunik ka sa audience. Ika nga, minsan, isang message, isang image lang, sold na. Kapag gumagamit ng images at icons, siguraduhin high quality para professional ang dating. Minsan, isang magandang larawan lang ang kailangan para madala ng impact. Looking for that perfect image or icon to spice up your presentation, Canvas got you covered. It's like having a buffet of design. All you can choose, no extra calories. Just head to the Elements tab, type in your keyword, and you know, high quality images and icons ready. The best part, they are all royalty free. So no need to worry about any copyright drama. Pero syempre, huwag kang maglagay ng kung ano-ano lang ha. Ang images and icons parang garnish sa dish. Dapat tama ang dami at placement para lalong matasarap. Gamitin ang white space para malinis tingnan at hindi magsiksikan. Think of them as the sidekicks to your text. They enhance the story but they don't steal the spotlight. Typography can make or break your presentation. Play around with font pairing but stick to a maximum of 2 to keep things cohesive. Ang color ay may malakas na effect sa emotion ng audience mo. Pumili ng kulay na mas angkop sa message mo. Cool tones for calm, warm tones for energy. Alam mo ba yung kulay, may sariling personality, parang tao din. Kapag blue ang ginamit mo, chill lang. Pag ocean, perfect sa mga seryosong usapan. Pero kung red, nako, pang-pa-excite, parang may pa-promo. Yellow naman, parang araw, laging positive vibes. Kaya bago ka pumili ng kulay, isipin mo muna kung ano yung emotion na gusto mong iparating. Now, when choosing your palette, pick harmony, not chaos. Don't just throw in random colors like you're decorating a carnival. Pick a main color that reflects your core message. Then add 1 or 2 accent color to complement it. Canva even has pre-made color palettes if you're busy. I mean, if you want to save time. Animations and transition can make your presentation dynamic, but too much can be distracting. Use them sparingly to highlight points. Alright, now you've got the tips, the tricks, and the tools. Now it's time to show the world what you've got. Don't just this knowledge gathered fast. Get out there, open Canva, and start creating presentation that wow, impress, and maybe make you a presentation rock star. Before you go, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong tips and tricks natin. Unfortunately, there are no winner for our Keep and Trivia Games version in our previous video since there were no participants. However, I like to express my gratitude to those who watched my last video. Keep creating, keep designing, expand your knowledge with me. I'm Yung Way. Ciao.